Hello dear traders, you're watching daily currency market news on the InstаForекс TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. Gold is enjoying its revival on the commodity market. The precious metal lost about 50% since the start of the year. Today gold is again winning favor with investors as a safe haven asset. The demand for gold has already outpaced the demand for government bonds, currencies and major stock indexes. So the precious metal has entered firmly the bull market. Forecasts for its decline below 1,000 US dollars belong to the history. Today the yellow metal grew to 1,233 US dollars 44 cents a troy ounce, rebounding from a low of $1,215 hit on the weekend. Since January, gold prices have rallied over 9%, logging the fastest growth since February 1979. For 8 weeks in a row, more and more traders are betting on gold to continue its climb. The recent developments in the global economy make most analysts revise the outlook for gold. At present, the forecast for a steady bullish trend of the trading instrument does not raise doubts. Most commodity strategists expect gold to surge above 1,400 US dollars a troy ounce by the end of the year. This scenario depends on how long investors are going to display the risk aversion sentiment. Meanwhile, headwinds in the global economy and US economy encourage gold to boom. The market is still uncertain if the US Federal Reserve will announce a new rate hike in the near future. In early 2016, it was widely held that the US Fed would fulfill 4 rate hikes this year. However, 2 opportunities were missed as the US economy was not ready for a tight monetary policy. To make things worse, the IMF released a report last week calling on the US Central Bank to keep the monetary policy unchanged. To make things worse, the IMF released a report last week calling on the US Central Bank to keep the monetary policy unchanged to prevent the looming crisis. However, the US economy is proving steady growth. It encourages investors to hope that the funds rate could be raised more than once this year. Looking back on the first rate hike, gold sank to record lows after the US Federal Reserve had announced its decision at the end of 2015. This response aroused speculations about a further decline of the precious metal. However, nowadays most analysts share the viewpoint that gold is likely to gain in value. Will the forecast for the price growth to $1,400 come true? Follow the developments in the gold market on InstаForекс TV channel. See you!